Hi guys, and welcome to the Pick a Card Tarot reading. I'm going to be looking at an important message for you from the universe and ancestors, your spirit guide. However you want to think about it, this is a message for you if you are new to my channel. So welcome to my channel. My name is Rashmi, the tarot card reader, and I go by Love and Be on YouTube, and I post a pick a card reading like this 2, 3, 4 times per week. So you can subscribe if you are interested in. For all of my returning viewers, first of all, thank you so much to all of you for your support, whether it be through commenting, liking and subscribing. It really does mean a lot and help out my channel. Thank you again, thank you so much. And if you guys interested, so you can follow me on social media. I will have the link in the description box also. Even if you are interested in personal session, personal reading, so I will also be putting information about private readings in the description box. So with all that being said, today in this video I have 3 piles choose from. This is gonna be a pretty chill intuitive reading. So today I have Osho cards and Rider-Waite deck as well, which I'm going to use today. So let's see what comes out for you each pile. So let's get started. Number 1 is the cinnamon stick, other one is bay leaf, and third one is with the stone tourmaline crystal. So whatever is your question for this, if you are looking for an answer, if you need guidance or need universe accurate signs, so just take 3 deep breaths and concentrate on your question and choose any one pile of them. You can also pause the video and here take your own time to choosing the card. Those who chosen pile 1, that is cinnamon stick. So the card is Patience and the Hermit. So the Hermit card is an upright position, generally indicates that you are entering a period of soul searching, self-reflection and spiritual enlightenment. You may find that you need time alone to gain deeper understanding of yourself, to remove yourself from the daily grind in order to discover that you are spiritual self. Contemplate your existence, your direction in life or your values. So the Hermit card also isolated yourself or withdrawing into oneself in order to recover from a difficult situation. So this major arcana trump card can suggest that you may be going through an antisocial phase where you just interact with people as much as you normally would. The Hermit is wise, mature and knowledgeable, and maybe an indication of someone seeking the service of a counselor or a psychiatrist. So this is time to focus on yourself and meeting your own needs. So in pile 1, second card is Patience from Osho Zen card. There are times when the only things to do is to wait. That's it. Right, and the seed has been planted, the child is growing into the womb, and the oyster is coating the grain of sand and making it to a pearl. So this person needs to be a patient. Reward of patience is sweet. And for pile 1, according to the law of nature, preparation before getting result. So it does naturally take a little time. So you are a part of nature, stay with it, you will get everything in peace. So who chosen pile 2 is with this bay leaf. Okay, the chariot. The chariot represent overcoming obstacles and like throughout determination, focus and willpower. With this major arcana trump card and all in your tarot spread, you will be feeling motivated, ambitious and in control. So now this is the time to go for what you really want. The chariot is not without its challenges. There may be many obstacles in your path, but if you stay focused, keep your composure and are confident in your abilities, you will be a successful man or female, or either it's female or male. The card is for pile 2, and it can also indicate that you may be acting defensively or aggressively to hide that you are feeling emotionally vulnerable. You may feel like you are in a battle at the moment. Don't worry, if you maintain your focus, you will be successful. The chariot is also an indicator of success in sports or competition. The Chariot represents also finding the balance between the heart and mind. Put any worry aside and maintain your focus. And second card in pile 2, the Rebel from Osho Zen. This is the one who chooses to live her or his own truth and true sense, not to challenging anyone on anything with a choice, but his or her presence itself challenges. What prevails without any sense? Rebel means to be in support of, giving justice to self and not just following. And it's in rules, norms, customs of the society as has come into its own truth, which is can't deny. And the moment celebration as one of the experience herself or himself as the source for the own king, right? And today people will get a chance to break the chain which are stopping them from being themselves. People may get a chance to experience truth in true sense. People may get a chance to be courageous, to take their stand in life, giving justice to self. So this card indicates to take responsibilities for who you are, to live our truth. Those who chosen pile 3 is with the Tourmaline crystal. Okay, the devil and the dream. The devil, generally reading the devil card, tarot cards, and can signify depression or addiction. You can say it also can be a sign of feeling trapped or restricted. And a major arcana in your tarot spread, you may feel as though outside, beyond your control or restrictions, you leaving you feeling powerless and victimized. And you are in control of your own destiny, and you're not bound by anything other than your own attitudes and behavior. So don't give up and don't give away your power. You don't have to tolerate negativity, criticism, manipulation, and abuse from anyone. And there are always options, and there is always something positive you can do to improve your situation, no matter how hopeless things may seem on the surface. Likewise, be mindful of how you are treating others, and make sure you are not trying to manipulate or control people in your life either. So the devil upright in your tarot reading can also indicate obsessive, secretive, or impulsive behavior. It can be a sign that you are out of control. Okay, the devil card, it's for pile 3, is also a signifier of a materialism card, and may show that you have become overly concerned with material things, status, or power. So these are not things that will make you truly fulfilled as a person. So put your energy into the things that will. Pile 3 in the second card, the dream. Okay, so nobody, whether it's your current mate or some dreamed of partner in the future, has any obligation to deliver your happiness on a platter, nor could they, even if they wanted to. Real love comes not from the others, but by developing your own inner richness and maturity. Then we have so much love to give that we naturally draws lovers towards us. So this is my analysis of 3 piles. So that's what I was saying for those of you. I hope that was helpful or provided clear to your insight. If my reading resonates from your life, so you will feel free to talk or comment or subscribe once again. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead. Thank you so much. Love and light to you.